Welcome to the CryptoSteel video tutorial on restoring access to your Trezor hardware wallet device using the CryptoSteel cassette stainless steel backup. This is what your CryptoSteel cassette should look like with a stored recovery seed phrase with 24 mnemonic words, 12 on the front side and 12 on the reverse. Connect the Trezor hardware wallet. The Trezor Suite software will conduct an initial firmware check. Start by following the manufacturer's instructions, which include launching the Trezor Suite on your computer or other device. After confirming firmware, select Recover Wallet, 24 words, then Standard Recovery, though some users may prefer the advanced option. Confirm the recovery process on your Trezor device. The Trezor device will prompt you to enter abbreviated 4-letter words from your recovery seed phrase on random order. You need only the first 4 letters of each word to restore your BIP39 password, because the system is based on a predefined vocabulary. The BIP39 standard, invented by Satoshi Labs, creator of the Trezor device, has been embraced by all leading hardware wallet manufacturers, including Ledger, Bitbox, and Blockstream. This is what the process looks like. Please remember, the complete process requires entering the entire sequence of 24 abbreviated words. Congratulations, you have successfully restored your hardware wallet and access to your crypto assets. After entering the entire 24-word sequence, set a new PIN number. CryptoSteel, the mother of all backups.